VOC Network here at CES 2019. We're at the Kicker booth, and this is Aaron with a new pair of Bluetooth headphones from Kicker called the CushBT.
Correct.
What do we have here?
So Kicker's always been known for high quality car stereo. We make cars that'll absolutely stun you, rock your world, but you're not always going to be in your car or your truck. What if you want a little more personal listening experience, like you're on an airplane? Enter the CushBT. Now, of course, sometimes you want to be wired, but sometimes you want to be wireless. So we have both options in the box. You get up to 20 hours of playtime without the cord, but if it's a really long flight, like you're headed to Asia, you plug in the cord and now it's unlimited. So CushBT, deep, powerful bass, great sound quality, wireless, 20 hours, and corded when needed.
And Kicker is known for their bass. And this is available right now. This was actually launched with CES at the event.
That's correct. Kicker.com if you want to check them out, or of course, just listen to them, make sure you love them, and then tell your friends.
Okay, and what's the price point?
I'm not sure.
We don't know yet, so we do not know the price point. But it is available right now, so you can go to Kicker.com, go check it out. And anything else?
Well, when listening to music, there's a lot of people that'll tell you a lot of stuff. But what it comes down to is you and your personal listening experience. Choose the headphone that sounds best to you. Forget the marketing, listen to them, and if you love them, that's the perfect headphone.
So if you like a lot of bass, check out Kicker. You know, if you're a big fan of hip-hop music or hardcore rock, dubstep, whatever floats your boat, if that's your kind of genre, check them out, give them a try. Are they going to be available in any stores in the future, maybe?
Absolutely. We've got worldwide distribution. Go to Kicker.com, and you can actually pull down a little menu, put in your zip code, and we'll find you a retailer close to you.
Perfect. All right, Aaron. Well, again, that's the Kicker CushBT headphones. Check them out at Kicker.com to learn more about them, as well as where you can find them locally. And Aaron, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Pleasure. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.